Reaffirm, still got stuff going on.
That's clear, sir.
We got a tornado on the ground over here.
Hey, 400.
400.
Trying to get pretty good sized hill in town right now.
10-4. Hey, still a fire hall. Both doors. Watching tornado over here, right around the Foard City elevators now.
Tornado on the ground. Tornado, look at it. It is getting stronger. Dust right here. Holy dizzy right here. Good thing it's just out in the field. See the dust being kicked up behind it. It's like a big old dust ball. It's gonna cross right in front of us. The dirt behind it. It's just pulling that dirt. Look at that. Just a big dust ball. Look at that big old dust ball. It's just pulling all that dirt. Can't even make out a tornado anymore. It's crossing the street right there. best thing about all this is it's out in the middle of these fields. There's no houses, no population. I don't know if it's still on the ground or not, but it certainly created a lot of, man, that was a big lightning close by. Woo. Created this huge dust bowl. Wow, that was freaking awesome. Look at that. Look at that updraft. It's just pulling that dirt straight up. It may drop another. The skies are angry. Right there. That rising motion. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the tornado lifted. Now you got all this rising motion right here. Feel that rear flank. Oh, tasting dirt. Man, just look at the wind. Now it's creating a dust storm behind it. Uh-oh. I'm going to be eating dust. Gotta roll up the window. I can look out this side of the window. Look at that. It's just a big dust storm now. Whoa. Strong winds. Very strong winds. Whoa. Look at the car shaking over here. Whoa, he's going to lose his lid. Wow. That was freaking strong. And then pops out the daylight. Bam! Just like that. And then back this way, all that dust. Wow. That was freaking crazy. Damn, I got dirt all over me. It's a dust again. Yep. Another little gustnado there.